As dusk settles over the bustling streets of Taiwan, a familiar ritual begins, one that draws a crowd long before the first sizzle hits the pan. This is the domain of a master, a corner of the city transformed nightly into a stage for culinary performance. The first act is one of pure physicality. The custom-built cooking station, heavy and seasoned, is meticulously assembled piece by piece, a testament to years of dedication. The heart of the operation is connected, the propane tank that will fuel the fires for the hundreds of meals to be served. With practiced strength, the colossal iron griddle is set in place, its weight a promise of the heat and flavor it's about to hold. A custom splash guard is secured, a practical shield for a cooking style that is anything but timid. The ingredients, the soul of the stall, are brought to their stations. Crates of fresh eggs are carefully transferred, each one a small but crucial component in the symphony of flavor to come. There is a quiet reverence in the preparation, an understanding that quality begins not on the heat, but in the hands of those who respect their ingredients. Fresh oysters delivered daily from the coast are unpacked, their briny aroma a signature of the stall's most famous dishes. Crisp lettuce is washed and prepped, ready to provide a fresh, clean counterpoint to the richness of the griddle. The proprietary batter, a creamy white liquid, is the foundation for the classic oyster omelets. Every tool is laid out with surgical precision, each spatula and ladle an extension of the chef's hands. The final element is the sauce, a rich, savory concoction that will crown each finished creation. With the stage set and the audience gathered, the master dons his apron. The show is about to begin. A slick of oil seasons the vast iron canvas. He starts with the beloved oyster omelet, a cornerstone of Taiwanese street food. A ladle of batter is poured over fresh oysters, followed by a single perfectly cracked egg, its golden yolk spread with a deft flick of the spatula. The process is repeated with mesmerizing rhythm, each omelet a unique creation, yet part of a larger, continuous flow of motion. Crisp greens are added, steaming instantly on the hot surface before being expertly folded into the delicate, lacy pancake.
做一颗星，咖啡上好卖呢。
He works across the entire surface of the griddle, a multitasking dance that keeps every order moving. Dozens of eggs are cracked and spread, creating a vast golden sheet that will soon become the base for the stall's other main attraction. The omelets and eggs cook side by side, a beautiful contrast of textures and flavors sharing the same stage. Using 2 spatulas, he begins to chop and scramble the massive egg sheet, creating fluffy, bite-sized curds. Each omelet is plated or boxed with care, passed to a partner who applies the signature sauces, completing the dish for the eagerly waiting customers. Now for the main event. Fresh shrimp are laid down, their subtle sweetness released by the intense heat. And then the rice arrives, not just a bowl, but a mountain of perfectly steamed grains, ready to be transformed. He adds more shrimp, more greens, and a special seasoning, building layers of flavor before the real work begins. This is a symphony of steel on iron. With 2 spatulas moving in a blur, he begins the Herculean task of mixing, lifting, and tossing the mountain of rice. Soy sauce is poured, its dark, savory liquid cascading over the rice, staining each grain and releasing an irresistible smoky aroma. The 2 spatula technique isn't just for show. It ensures every single grain of rice is perfectly seasoned and aerated, creating a fluffy, non-greasy texture that is the hallmark of a true master. The finished oyster omelets are served, each one a perfect balance of crispy egg, tender oysters, and fresh greens, all blanketed in that rich, sweet, and savory sauce. A person enjoys the omelet, the chopsticks breaking through the sauce to reveal the treasures within, a perfect bite that justifies the wait. The simple dish showcases the freshness of its ingredients, a bite of the sea perfectly captured.
看以前呢，偌久我做台语啊。蛋糕下来。很棒。
With the fried rice now perfectly mixed, the harvest begins. He works with incredible speed, scooping generous portions for the long line of hungry patrons. The steam rises in clouds, carrying the scent of wok hei, the breath of the wok, that signature smoky flavor that can only be achieved with immense heat and skillful tossing. He adds yet another massive bowl of rice, seamlessly incorporating it into the already colossal batch, a testament to the stall's immense popularity. More soy sauce is added, ensuring the new rice is just as flavorful as the first, maintaining consistency across the entire mountain. The pace is relentless, a continuous cycle of cooking and serving, yet the master remains calm and focused, his movements economical and precise. He continues to chop and turn the rice, his entire body engaged in the process, a dance of strength and finesse. The sound is its own language, the rhythmic scrape of the spatulas, the sizzle of the ingredients, the chatter of the waiting crowd, the true soundtrack of the city. Finally, the rice is ready, plated and passed to the customer. A simple plate holding an incredible amount of work and passion.
要不然你们先注意一下好不好？
The finished product is a thing of beauty. Fluffy, perfectly separated grains of rice, studded with vibrant pink shrimp and flecks of scrambled egg. Each spoonful is a perfect bite, a taste of comfort and tradition served up from a humble street corner. A touch of chili sauce adds a final kick of heat, cutting through the richness and elevating the flavors even further. The menu also offers a lighter touch. Fresh clam soup cooked to order in individual pots over an open flame. The process is simple, allowing the natural sweetness of the clams to shine. As the water boils, the shells open, releasing their briny liquor into the broth. The finished soup is poured over a bed of finely sliced ginger, its clean, pure flavor a perfect companion to the heartier dishes. A bowl of pure comfort, the steam carrying the unmistakable scent of the sea. It's a testament to the philosophy here. Simple ingredients masterfully prepared. From a massive griddle to a single bowl, this is more than just food. It's the enduring spirit of the street, served one delicious plate at a time.